how you can download presentations or any other documents from Tome AI. Now, before we move on with that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let's start. First, open up a web browser and just type in tome.app. Now this will load up our website. Now you need to log in into it. Just make sure that you've logged into your account, and just let's go to a template and try and create something. So I'm just gonna choose an template right here. I'm just gonna tap on this resume, and now I'm just gonna tap on this research report. Now what you need to do is you can use an AI to create a research report, but it's gonna take you a premium account to do that, and you might have to pay for it. Now to download this, just tap on this three buttons right here, three dot buttons right here, and here you can see an option to export to PDF. Now for this too, you need a pro account. If you click on it, as you can see, there are different options right here to select your payments, but the bottom line is you need to pay to use the AI and to download a PDF of the presentation or the report that you've created. So to download the PDF, just make sure that you have subscribed to tome.app, and you'll be able to download the PDF. So that is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.